Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the world, and programming languages play a vital role in AI development. AI algorithms and models are built using programming languages, and the choice of language can significantly impact the efficiency, performance, and scalability of AI applications. Python is the most popular programming language for AI development. It is a general-purpose language that is easy to learn and use, and it has a large and active community of developers. Python also has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for AI development, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Pros: easy to learn and use, large and active community of developers. Rich ecosystem of AI libraries and frameworks, good all-around choice for most AI development projects. Cons: can be slow for performance-critical applications. Loose syntax may encourage bad programming habits. Java is another popular programming language for AI development. It is a robust and scalable language that is well suited for developing large-scale AI applications. Java is also well suited for distributed computing, which is important for many AI tasks. Pros: robust and scalable, well suited for developing large-scale AI applications, well suited for distributed computing. Good choice for AI applications that require high performance and low latency. Cons: more difficult to learn than Python. Not as fast as C++. C++ is a high-performance language that is often used for developing AI applications that require real-time processing or low latency. C++ is also a good choice for developing AI applications that need to be very efficient. Pros: high performance, low latency. Efficient. Good choice for AI applications that require real-time processing or low latency. Cons: difficult to learn, not as easy to use as Python. R is a statistical programming language that is popular for data analysis and machine learning. R has a wide range of libraries and packages for AI development, including Caret, MLR, GLMNet, RPart, and Random Forest. Pros: popular for data analysis and machine learning. Wide range of libraries and packages for AI development. Good choice for AI applications that require statistical analysis. Cons: not as fast as C++ or Java. Not as well suited for large-scale applications. Julia is a relatively new language that is gaining popularity for AI development. It is designed to be fast and easy to use, and it has a growing ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for AI. Pros: fast, easy to use. Growing ecosystem of AI libraries and frameworks. Cons: relatively new language. Not as large of a community as Python. Choosing the right programming language for AI development. The best programming language for AI development depends on the specific needs of the project. Some factors to consider include the type of AI application being developed, the performance and scalability requirements of the application, the developer's skills and experience, the availability of libraries and frameworks for the chosen language. For techno-savvy developers, with a background in data science and machine learning, Python is often the best choice for AI development. It is easy to learn and use, has a large and active community, and has a rich ecosystem of AI libraries and frameworks. For applications that require high performance and low latency, such as real-time image processing or natural language processing, C++ may be a better choice. Java is a good choice for large-scale AI applications that require scalability and robustness. R is a good choice for AI applications that require statistical analysis, such as fraud detection or medical diagnosis. Julia is a good choice for AI developers who are looking for a fast and easy-to-use language with a growing ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Ultimately, the best way to choose the right programming language for AI development is to carefully consider the specific needs of the project.